Hey guys, welcome back to another one. So today what I'm going to be showing you is some dog proofs that we bought at a recent auction here. Just came in a bucket, so that's kind of how we're going to look at them. And yeah, so at the auction we were able to pay, I believe it was about $7 or $8 a piece for these, and most of them come with cable extensions on them already. So, you know, with the current dog proofs going right now at about $11 to $12 to even $14, having it at that 7 to 8 range and already mostly set up, ready to go, that's very nice. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So as you can see, some of them are yellow, some of them are just the normal color that come from Duke. So as you can see, all ready to go. Nothing really wrong with them in there. Look just fine. And then they also have a somewhat short cable extension. As you can see, it must have broke, so he reattached it. Whether we use that or not, I guess we'll find out. So we'll kind of get these going here and go through each here and see. Perfect. And it looks like this one has an extension on it as well, and then it has a stake on there, so nice, good deal. That one's already basically set up. I'll probably end up taking and just cutting off this and just keeping that stake on there. Perfect. And then we got another one. Looks just fine, should fire off. Little rusty, as you can tell, but that's all just surface rust. And with all of these, they're very easy to get cleaned off, since each catch with a raccoon or a possum in there are gonna basically take off all of the rust in the paint regardless on their own. So it doesn't really affect us too much. Now as you can see, another stake, quite a bit of dirt on it there, as you can see. Perfect. So these aren't wolf fangs, but they are just kind of the more normal stakes. Let's see if we can get a, yeah, just a disposable stake on there. But yeah, we have one of those tools as well, so we're able to use them. And then we got this one here, which is a push or pull, which is, you know, to each your own. Sometimes it's good, sometimes people don't really like them because you do have an increased chance of catching cats and stuff like that. And you can sometimes have fire-offs prematurely. So, you know, kind of goes each way with it. Let's see here. And we got another one. This disposable stake's probably seen its day, so we'll probably end up putting a new one on that one. Perfect. And it looks like this one must have been yellow before, not so much anymore. Probably had a couple catches in there, as you can tell, claw marks and stuff, so that one's good. This disposable stake's kind of done for, so we'll probably grab a new one of those. And we have to change out all the tags as well. And then just another push to pull. Perfect. Keep it going here. As you can see, we actually got quite a few from the auction, which is nice. So should have a real nice raccoon line this year. Just sadly, it's one of those things that it wasn't able to have really good prices for raccoons, so kind of hurts. And we got this one, just a cable extension on there, so that'll work just fine. Throw a stake on that one. This one's a little dirtied up, but easy enough. Then let's see, just got some wire in there. As you can tell, when they sold these, they didn't really care about presentation, as there's a bunch of dirt everywhere and stuff like that. But that's also why you get a better deal, is because they don't really care about the presentation at all. And yeah, that one's a little more rusty, but should just clean up just fine. Probably scrape that one down. Actually, it does have quite a bit of rust on there. So all together, let's see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got 15 dog proofs. It looks like we have 3 of the pusher poles. And then we actually have probably half of them with usable cable. And then half I'll probably just cut off and put new on. But yeah, that's pretty much does it. And then we got the bucket too. So, you know, 5-gallon buckets are always good. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that. One thing that I would recommend, instead of buying new, you can always buy used from DNR auctions, which are usually coming up right around this fall time. I know our next one's going to be coming up probably in a week or two. So I'll probably take a peek, see if they have any traps and stuff like that in there, since you can get pretty good deals in there. And usually you can actually go there, but sadly this year, most of them are online because of COVID and everything. But yeah, I think you can still pick them up there. Usually they're staggered throughout your state and stuff like that. So I would say definitely go take a look. Usually they'll have pictures and everything on there, so you know if they're worthwhile or not. Especially with dog proof, super easy. As long as you see that everything's on them, they'll work just fine. And yeah, if you guys think you got a good deal with the $7 to $8 a piece, let me know. I think that was plenty good for what I was aiming for, and not paying for shipping as well. You have to put that in there as well, because that kind of puts a couple dollars onto each dog proof that you got anyways, if you're ordering, say, from F&T or Minnesota Trapline or something like that. And yeah, thank you for watching.